Hi friends, today I welcome you to Entrepreneur's Ring of Modern Day Empire. Here I discuss some of the things related to the business, related to the investing. So guys, when it comes to a businessman and entrepreneur, so there's various concepts of investing the money, because if you are gaining the huge profit and if you are getting the nice amount of money, then it is surely a need to invest that money, because you are getting now nice amount of money. It doesn't mean that you will get the nice amount of money in entire period of life. So you must think on investing your money. So guys, when it comes to the investing, so many businessmen think of various ways to investing. So I will discuss I will discuss few of the assets which are quite popular and which are quite in demand. So even if you do not have any of the knowledge from about these assets, then surely you may learn from various sources, and most of them will be surely trusted. Now guys, we will get to the first aspect, that is business. Now basically many businessmen thinks that we are generating a good profit through our business, so we must reinvest our money into our business also. So I will say recommend that this is not the ideal step, because yeah, it is nice thing that your business is generating the profit, but you must make a backbone for it, and for making a backbone for it, you must invest your money in the bigger companies. Bigger companies here are related to the Facebook, Google, Microsoft, and this type of companies. So when you will invest your money in this type of company, then surely this company will give you ample amount of dividends, ample amount of return. So surely this will help you, so that you could, even if your business collapse in future, or even if your business just suffer losses, so that you could get the enough of cash flow from your backbone, so that you could cover those losses, or you could start your business again. So this is the first asset you could think of. Now guys, next thing come from the real estate, and especially pointing about the investment in real estate in commercial purpose. So guys, if you invest your gain profit in the real estate, then surely it will be helpful for you to maintaining a nice network, because investing in commercial purpose is like investing in offices or investing in complex buildings. Now when you will do that, so there will be lots of people which you could get the chance of interacting with, and when you will get the chance of interacting with them, then surely you could generate more clients through them for your business. So you can think on investing on that. Now third thing come from the investing in safe manner. So now basically these are some of the long-term investment which will surely give which will surely comes under the safe play, and it will naturally give you good output. So that comes under mutual funds, bonds, this type of things. So this will give you surely profit in terms of long term. Like if you talk about mutual funds, so mutual funds give the profit over the longer terms. So these type of things are there. Now guys, next and last thing come from the commodities. Now basically commodities are related to the few of the natural resources. So if you invest in those resources, then surely this will also give you the profit, because many company because these are the various needs which everybody needs. So if you invest in that surely you will get the profit. So guys, with this I'm done with my video. Thank you for watching this video up till here. We have discussed some of the things that are some of the popular assets which everybody and anybody could invest in the little amount of learning. So guys, thank you for watching this video up till here. Please subscribe to our channel Modern Empire for more such video. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep commenting, keep liking this video, and bye bye.